Hello all, welcome back to our favorite UV and data channel. Today let us see some basic mathematical concepts in statistics. Let us get into the video. Today, as a continuation of our previous video, let us see some more mathematical concepts of statistics. Initially, let us talk about confidence limit. So, what is confidence limit? Let us consider a data which is distributed like this. Okay. Now, the mean will be in the center. This is the lower part and this is the upper part. So now what is the remaining duration? This is the confidence limit of 95%. So what will be the other part? Remaining is 5%. So each part should be divided. Upper confidence limit will have 2.5% and lower confidence limit will have 2.5%. And the center part will have 95% confidence limit, which means now we have a data set, some sort of readings. If we tell it is 95% confidence limit of the data, then when we recollect the data, it should be recollected with same 95% of accuracy. Okay, then we call this as a confidence limit. So what is this upper limit and lower limit? Always this confidence limit lies between this upper limit and lower limit. The mean will also lie between it. Suppose we take 10 random numbers and tell upper limit is at 7 and lower limit is at 3. Now the mean is going to lie between 3 and 7. So how to find the confidence interval? We are going to use this formula. C is a confidence interval. X bar is a mean of the sample. ZC is a Z value of confidence level. S is a standard deviation. N is number of samples. Z value is a tabular value of a confidence interval. Okay. Next comes minimum. So what is minimum? To be more precise, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the smallest value is 1. So 1 will be the minimum. Next comes maximum. In a data set, the value which is very big is the maximum. Okay. Here for this given data set, the maximum is 5. Next comes range. Range is a difference between this maximum and minimum. It is a difference between the maximum and minimum. Here the range is between 1 to 5. So maximum 5 minus minimum 1, which is 4. So the range is between 5 minus 1, which is 4. So for the given sample, the range is 4. Next comes median. So it is a very important, like median. It is so simple. We arrange the data set in an order. Either it may be ascending or descending. and then the center value is the median. Here in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the median is 3 because it lies on the middle. When we arrange a data set in ascending order or descending order, we will have a center value and we tell this value as a median. In this example, we had only 5 elements, so the center value became the median. What if we had an even number of elements? Say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the median is, we have 2 center values. So we should add these 2 center values, 3 plus 4, and then divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 7 divided by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So the median of the data is 3.5. Okay. So in this video, we have seen confidence limit, upper confidence limit, lower confidence limit, minimum, maximum, range, mean, formula for the confidence limit, and then the median. So in our next video, let us see the Python implementation of all these concepts. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.